Julie, are you sick from the shot? Yeah. You don't feel good? You sound like a little sick puppy. You're eating your binky wrong. Mommy feels so helpless when you run a fever. Oh, I don't want the binky. Thank you, though. No, thank you. Oh, thank you. I don't need the binky. Thank you, though. Oops. Look at all that germs. Yeah. Oh. You don't feel good.